wabuya uGuy on the 17th of July. Waphula uhamba nomkakhe nezihlobo wonke umuntu wathi uzofaka uSibari wakhe la. Sibari wami uthola umsebenzi la eSouth ngeke aloke ebhadala irent nginomuzi. Baphula ba invader ba occupy. Hayi lo muntu othenga indlu wafaka labantu bakhe ukuthi aba occupy. Kwaba ileyo nto like there has been a constructive eviction going on since February. Kwenziwe izinto kuningi amanzi sivalele electricity iwashing yethu beyinekiwe washing line idonto ilahlwe phansi yolahlwa labakha khona he's been demolishing lana kuningi kodwa konke kuyi constructive eviction and ngithi mina kuyena angizophuma. I know there's people out there who are saying because nabo babona ngalendlela babona ngayo kunabantu abathi gcina wawusuhluleka ukubhadala ibond ibhange la idayisa indlu la auctiona the poor guy bought the property bawuphuma ingani for goodness sakes babona kuyimini ibhuli. Ngicela mina ke can I explain my side or my position kulento. I had gotten an attorney to go and defend my house because I had no intentions ukuthi ngisuke kwami ngihambe. You understand? That is why ngathola umuntu ukuthi akayoyimela lento.
Who has failed you?
Who has failed me? Wabuya wathi uyistopile. So mayithenga lona indlu yami. Ukuthi uyithengile does not mean sekumele ngiqoqe ngiyohlala emgaqweni. You understand ukuthi ngithini? In South Africa kunento ebizwa iPI Act, Prevention of Illegal Eviction. Uyenzeleni leyo nto uhulumeni? Uyenzela ukuthi abantu bangavele balahlelwe emgaqweni because sometimes ama sale lawo ezindlu, ama sale alentozana are unlawful. Uyayibona leyo nto. So a person should be given a chance to go and present their matter in court. Do you understand? When you are a new owner, you've purchased this property. And into engiyithandayo ukuthini, you purchased a property knowing ukuthi it has occupants. But because you have paid money, because when unemali eningi yokuthenga izindlu zabantu, because you have paid money, now you want to blackmail me ukuthi angiphume kwami ngoba ukhokha imali wena uthenga lendlu. So mina I must just go to hell. Ngoba wena usufikile wena Mr Affordability wazothenga umuzi wami. To hell with me. Ngoba mina bengasakwazi ukubhadala. Ayihambi kanjalo impilo. And the EPI Act was not formulated by Ugcina, but iyang protect. And I'm loving it. Ngokuthini inginikeza a chance yokuthi when he does apply for an eviction order, which he refuses to do by the way, because he knows ukuthi kunama procedures okumele alandelwe or kune process involve a court ekumele ilandele. Once the sheriff serves me with an eviction notice, ngine 14 days yokuthi ngiyoyi-oppose ngiyoyi-defenda leyo nto, which will lentozana automatically or eventually lead to ukuthi ngiyime phambi kwe-magistrate and present my case. Ngisho ukuthi ngifike kanjani nami lana. Do you understand what I mean?
Yeah.
But apart from that, ibhange lidayiselani indlu because indlu ine insurance. Lidayiselani indlu yami. Namanje I'm still trying to investigate with indlu yami idayiswe yibhange noma idayiswe usheriff na because kunomehluko. Sometimes izindlu zabantu zidayiswa ibhange lelo ne-bond contract nalo lingazi nokwazi. Do you get what I mean? There's a whole lot of stuff that lentozana goes into this. It's not a black and white thing. There's a lot of gray shades. We understand. Ngibambelela lo gray shade ke mina because that is the only home I have. Nabantu bami. This guy, unama properties, it's not like udingi ikhaya, udingi shelter. Yena indlu yami ufuna nje ukufaka abantu and continue making money. To him, this is business. Enye nenye akanandaba nayo. The moral aspect of it does not kick in kuye. Akanamsebenzi. Ugcina ngaya kwa hell or I am emgaqweni anginandaba. I mean, I want to make money. Do you get what I mean? So I'm fighting because I believe ukuthi kumele ngilwe ikhaya lami leli ikhaya labantu abami mase ngiluzile ngizokwenza njani but mayithi inkantolo mase kusho inkantolo ukuthi gcina phuma after I presented my case ngiyoqoqa imithwalo yami ke ngibone ukuthi ngiyenze njani but okwamanje I still have a fighting chance and I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna take advantage of it.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Ask Khuluma with Priv. Today is your first time visiting this channel. Please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash that like button. Sibaya actress uGqina wakaMkhize lebesimadinga kaMajola ukhuluma mayelana noku asuswa kwakhe endlini yakhe idemolish while she was inside with her kids. Uthi libhanga liyithengiselana indlu yakhe ifindli ne-insurance, so apparently uGqina Mkhize failed to pay the house and bayifaka le ndlu ku-auction. This guy wayethenga Kesana and uGqina Mkhize doesn't wanna leave Kesana. Uthi eyakhe indlu and she's not going anywhere. Cele bantu ukuthi bamphe ama-donations, of which they did. People donated and they are still even donating. Uyasho ukuthi if you still want to donate, ungadonate because le mali abantu ayidonate-ako iyabasida kakhulu, yamsida kakhulu yena nebantwana bakhe. So some people bavelana naye in some way saying ukuthi why angavelanga makabona ukuthi isimo sesiba uyodakhela hlampe kwe-forum nyana wahlala khona nebantu ababo. Why ama-celebrity thanda ku-actor njengema-victims? So please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I'm signing out. Goodbye.